government, who is the president of the Church, and to cut the chairman mark the opening of Fulton College, University College. I'm honored to be invited to officiate at this auspicious occasion, the opening of Fulton University College. The principal, Dr. Caro, must have known that I spent my primary years in the Seventh-day Adventist primary school in Vanuatu. Well, that's an island to the east of Fiji. I think it's the most prominent island on that site, not quite the size of Vitileu. But that's where I come from, and I went to a primary school which was run by the Seventh-day Adventists, which was the only school available in our island. Thank you, Mr. Carroll, for inviting me. Fulton has been educating students in the Pacific region for over a century now. It's registered as a university college by the Fiji Higher Education Commission. The term university college has been used in certain countries to denote college institutions that provide tertiary education but do not have full or independent university status. However, the precise usage varies from country to country. In Australia, for instance, the term was used to refer to educational institutions that were like universities but lacked full autonomy. In Canada, University College has three meanings, the first being a degree-granting institution, the second being an institution that offers university-level coursework, and thirdly, as a university college of a university. As for the United Kingdom, University College is used to denote an institution that teaches degree programs, normally within a specialist field, and may carry out research, but is normally teaching focused. Similarly, Fulton College offers degrees and diplomas in theology, in education, and business. I'm not sure whether that will change. Therefore, Fulton University College is just a step away from being a fully fledged university, which is something the board may ponder on. In its 1,009 years existence in Fiji, Fulton has changed site 3 times, as you heard from the principal earlier this morning. And the institution's status keeps getting better each time. I believe that it is not a coincidence that after 74 years of operation in Tailevu, the University College has moved closer to the Nadi International Airport. We are thankful for the present site, nestled at the foot of the sleeping giant with the Sabeto River, a symbol of life and prosperity running through the property, indicating that the Fulton University College will not wither or wilt in the face of challenges. The students' makeup is strikingly a cosmopolitan one. 60% are international students, proof positive that Fulton University College is truly an international university college. I am reliably informed that the construction of Fulton University College at Sabeto is approximately 20 million Fiji dollars. Even in Fiji dollars, that's a huge amount. The student residences will accommodate 240 students. We are told by the principal, while the dining room can accommodate 420. Won't fit everybody in here, but half of the people present here will go in there. The library has a seating capacity of 200 students, and there will be housing on campus for 20 married student families. essential staff and international faculty. Included in the present setup are the teaching spaces, a computer laboratory, and a curriculum resource lab. Fulton does provide holistic education, as its lecturers are well qualified and professionals in their own subject areas. To the pioneer students of Fulton University College, Sabeto, you are undertaking your intellectual journey in a totally new site and in a profoundly different milieu from the one I encountered some 60 years back, which you can refer to as the late Jurassic Age. The information was at a premium. It had to be laboriously extracted from the catacombs of the libraries and archives, retrieved from vast catalogs, and uncovered in heavy tomes, almanacs, manuscripts, encyclopedias, and dictionaries. Today, information is more often than not just a click of a mouse, computer mouse, that is, or the tap on a screen away. In the space of your short lifetimes, students, information has migrated from the library to the desktop, to the backpack, and increasingly to the pocket. There is the potential for all world's information to be at your fingertips all the time. Without a well-prepared human mind, the abundance of information at your disposal will remain a cacophony rather than a symphony. It is not enough that your ears and eyes are feasted with information. It is vital that your hearts have got to be touched and that your hands and feet have got to be moved. Your Fulton University College education will prepare you to be the orchestra conductors of the entire world's information. The familiar admonition in the book of Luke of the Christian Bible states, "To whom much is given, much is expected," applies in full measure to all of you current Fulton students, and I hope you will take it very seriously. Graduates from Fulton can be found in almost all the Pacific Islands. I believe that they have discovered that each one of them has the capacity to generate new ideas for themselves and for their countries, and has contributed to the development of their own country. Some families have made big sacrifices to enable their children to attend Fulton University College. Well, we all understand that in the face of greater and greater global competition and in a knowledge-based economy, a great education is more important than ever. That is the very reason the Ministry of Education has introduced policies as the 12 years basic education, a removal of entry policies into Form 7, and of course, the greatest achievement so far is the free education. A higher education is the single best investment you can make in your future, and I'm proud of all students who are making that investment, whether it is at Fulton University College or for any other higher institution in Fiji. Let us all work hard to make sure that Fiji remains a country where if we work hard, study hard, and are responsible, we are rewarded. I acknowledge the hard work put in by Fulton University College, College Board, the Relocation Committee, the principal, staff, students, and the big Seventh-day Adventist family in Fiji and the Pacific region. May God richly bless Fulton University College. As the Minister for Education, National Heritage, Culture, Arts, and Library Services, I have much pleasure in declaring the University College open in a few minutes' time.